The Storm 2010.
Nice bridge.
Apparently broke the fucking top off the fucking.
Broke the top off the power lines. Major issues.
That shit goes
Here we
down
are.
under it.
If we go under it, we could die here if this tree comes down. On the power lines. Oh shit. Woohoo!
Not enjoy that.
Danger.
Fuck. Look at this guy.
You do it. This guy is nuts. What a nut job. You have to throw this in four-wheel.
Fuck, I'm gonna get stuck.
You better hope the hubs are in. Hey YouTubers, we're back. We just got done with our first emergency job. So crazy that there was a pressure drop and the windows that got blown out in the house actually were sucked out, not blown in, were sucked out of the house. It sucked the door off the hinges and blew the door out too. You know, it's everything's sealed, tightened up now. They don't have to worry about any wind or rain. But now we got another call. We got to go to another house. Tree fell on the house. They're getting leaks in the house. Everything's messed up crazy. We'll touch base with you guys, let you know how it's going. All right, here we are, guys, at our next job. Cut this tree down and, you know, fix any leaks for the woman so that she's A-okay.
The Storm 2010.
The roof job where the tree fell on the house. Now I want you to go look at this little puppy. It's only a twig, but it's causing a little water damage, so we gotta take care of it.
The whole roof is completely destroyed. It's gonna be a long frickin' day, Harry.
It's only a Sunday. It's my day off anyways, right? Stay together.